Hi everyone, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. It's been a week now and I really miss you guys so much. If you guys don't know already, I was on vacation last week, so that's why I haven't really, last week or the week before, anyways, the week of 25th of July I was out, but I did go ahead and post my vacation vlog here. If you guys haven't watched it, then I will link it here somewhere. You can go ahead and check it out if you want to. It is a long vlog because I added 1 week into one video, that's why. But in this tutorial, I'm going to recreate the viral reversed liner look. And this was created by Paintedbyspencer on TikTok and it became viral and everybody's doing it and I had to jump onto the trend and create it for you guys. Today, I am showing you guys how to create it in an easy and simple way. But overall, this is my take on it and I really want to show you guys how I created it. Before I go ahead and jump onto the tutorial, if you're new here to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and taking your time to watch my video. It really means a lot to me. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I would love to have you guys aboard on the light family that I have here on my channel. If you guys would like to learn how I created this look, please keep on watching. Alright, so this is the look. And I have to say, this is so genius. It's absolutely beautiful as a look. You can see the difference between my eyes, like it's crazy. You see how like this is like a bit down and how this liner definitely lifted up my eye. And also I added lashes. I know that he didn't add lashes, but I did, and it just makes a big difference. Let's go ahead and start off this tutorial. So I did not really prime my eye. I just added concealer and powder just to kind of set it in. I'm not really doing anything special. So if you want to go ahead and prime your eyes, feel free to do so. It's even better because it will last longer. But I'm literally just doing this video for fun to show you guys. Paintedbyspencer used the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I think it was the Soft Glam if I'm not mistaken. But I am going to be using my new Makeup by Mario in this palette though. Do I need to explain it? I don't think so. It's absolutely stunning and I've been using it in my contracts a lot as well. It's just the perfect color to have all the neutrals. Definitely get your hands on this. So I'm gonna go ahead and use these two shades up here. Now they do have names actually, but again, like this whole system here and here just confuses the bejesus out of me. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab these two shades from this black row here, so this one and this one, and I'm literally just mixing them up together, and I'm going to apply that as like a base on top here. So I'm really concentrating this shades mainly more in the inner corners like he did. Now obviously we all have different eye shapes. He has a little bit more of a smaller eye shape than I do, so I do have a lot of space, so I try to kind of make it look as his eyes as much as possible. And if you guys don't know Paintedbyspencer, girl, where do you live? Like under a rock or something. This guy is so talented, and as a professional makeup artist myself, I have learned so many techniques from him, and I love the fact that he does makeup on people. It really gives me a lot of ideas and it helps me a lot as well. So his makeup technique is just on point, professional. If you are a makeup artist, especially a freelancer like myself, definitely watch his videos. It's full of a lot of information that you can learn from. Thank you Paintedbyspencer for doing such a content for people like myself who is into makeup and who actually does makeup on people. Okay, so this is just a base like that. It doesn't really need to be perfect. Key to this is to have like a nice blended look. Next thing is I'm going to be using a black liner. I'm not normally a big fan, especially of like smudging black pencils like this one. I have a hard time on myself, but on my clients it's just a piece of cake. But I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try for you guys. So this one here is called Feline and this is from MAC Cosmetics. And if you guys are wondering, this is the Kohl Power Eye Pencil. And I'm going to drop that onto the inner waterline of my eye all the way in. And I'm also dropping this on the skin right under the lash line. This could be messy. This is the reason why I don't like this on myself. It's very, very messy. You can definitely take a brush if you want and do that, but I'll be taking a brush later. So I'm just gonna roughly place it, and I'm gonna try to tight line it to not have the skin peek through as well, like this. We'll keep it like that for now. And then I'm gonna take a flat brush. I know that he used his fingers to kind of wing it out like that. No, not on me. I can't do that. I tried to do it here and it was like a blob of mess. But if you guys want to do that, try it. I ended up taking a flat brush like this one, and I just went ahead and I smudged this black out. I find it's easier for me with the brush than just taking my fingers and smudging it out. And I'm also taking it out and trying to extend it, but keeping a light hand. So with a flat brush, I feel like you get more of a precise finish. So I just went ahead and I zoomed in for you guys a little bit more so you guys could see what I'm doing. So I find with a flat brush, you get a more precise winged finish. But if you want to go ahead and use your fingers like Makeup by Spencer did, feel free to do that. But for me, it didn't work. So I'm just showing you this one. Now, I also saw on his picture that he has a little bit of black going on with the upper lash line. So you basically kind of join them together. You don't need to add more products. Just use whatever you have left on your brush. It just creates like this softer, smokier look. So just kind of don't bring it all the way in, because you just want to concentrate it mainly more on the outer corners to give you that lifted look. So just like that, immediately you can definitely see a huge difference. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and try to smudge it. Keep a light hand on your brush, don't press it in. And for you to keep a light hand, just hold your brush from down here and just kind of like lightly blend it out. I know I'm doing funny faces right now because I'm getting super close to my eyes. You know when you do this. So you know, like you see here, I still have a little bit of skin peeking through and that bothers me, but I'm just gonna go over it a little bit with a gel liner after. But this is just gonna give you a idea. So in the inner corners here, try to blend it as much as possible. Now for the inner corners, to do that with a pencil for me is absolutely impossible. So I'm taking a liquid liner. I'm using KVD Beauty Tattoo Trooper liner, and I'm gonna go ahead and create this extended pointy inner tear duct. I always like to start it from the top. Add a little bit on the inner corners on the upper lash line. The reason why I do up, because I could see this line, so it's easier for me. So once you have that line placed, just look at yourself straight in the mirror, and then you will need to line it up to the other eye as much as possible. I'm also going to take a little bit of that into the inner lash line here, just to kind of make it a bit darker. If you do have watery eyes and you're scared for this to kind of smudge down, I would highly recommend to go over a little bit with a waterproof liner. This one is a great one because on myself it doesn't leak, but what I would really recommend is using a gel liner. I feel like it just sticks better and that you won't have a leaking problem going on. And then I am going to be taking the Makeup by Mario palette again with a smaller little defined brush. You can even find smaller than that, so if you even have a smaller one, you can go ahead and grab that. But I'm just going to grab this one, and I'm going to grab a little bit of the black shadow down here, just a tiny bit, and I'm going to run it through the black liner and also bring it a little bit under this here. So very, very lightly. Do not pack your brush with the black, because black tends to get really harsh when you pack it up too much, and it tends to be a little bit harder to blend as well. So as much light product on your brush as possible, you will have your effect in a better way. So I'm just gonna run it, taking a tiny bit of that black and run it all the way around just to have a nicest smudged look. And once that's done, you can go ahead and grab your browns. So I'm gonna grab this brown here. I'm only using these 3 shades for this look. So I'm just taking the upper brown first, and I'm gonna run it through. This is gonna give you that ombre kind of effect. And you don't really need to bring it all the way down like I am, but I feel like on my eye shape, I prefer to have it down right here. Feel free to do whatever you think that looks best on you. This is what I like on my eyes, and you guys all know that I love a smudged out lower lash line. The lower I get, like not all the way down here, but you know, the lower I get, I feel like it suits my eye shape a little bit more. Now I'm gonna take this brown in the middle a tiny bit, and this is what's gonna give you that shadow look. If you feel that you went a little bit too low, just grab a skin tone shade. This is the color that I have here, again using one palette for everything, and pack it on like this, and then lightly smudge it in. It's just gonna give you more of a cleaner finish. I really hope this was not so complicated for you guys. So that is it for the eyeshadows. It's really simple, really easy. So I'm just gonna take my gel liner, because I tend to not have like a pencil liner stick in my waterline. This is the NYX, my favorite ever. These last such a long time on your waterline. I'm telling you, like if you have teary eyes, or you know, eyes that's always watery, this is amazing in your waterline. It's amazing. So I'm just gonna grab that and pop that into the waterline, and it really makes it even more black, and that's what I love. And I'm gonna grab it and kind of like tight line it, cover up that negative space that I still see skin through, just cover it up. And here I'm just gonna do that, and I'm also gonna run it through the tear duct area just to make sure that it won't smudge or leak during the day. And I'm also going to grab a little bit and put it on the upper part as well. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply mascara and lashes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my lashes first. Now this is optional. And now Makeup by Spencer did not put lashes on, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply lashes. But before I do that, let's go ahead and apply a thin coat of mascara. This is the Benefit the Real, and this is the only mascara that works with me. I know a lot of people don't like this mascara, but honestly, if you have long natural lashes like myself, this works really, really good. Look at this. I love this mascara so much. For lashes, I'm using my MFMA lashes, and these are the Pro Light. If ever you wish to shop these lashes, I will leave my link in the description box down below, and you can also use my coupon code. It's LBBYND. You can shop the sponge, you can shop the lashes. There's a lot of styles, so check it out. And you can also get the lash glue, which is my favorite lash glue ever. Alrighty, you guys, this is the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my face off camera. If you guys are wondering, I'm using exactly the same products as in my get ready video. I will leave it at the end of this tutorial. You can go ahead and check it out, but it's exactly the same products, and I will link all the products as well in the description box below. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll be back to show you guys the finished glammed look. Alrighty you guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, found it a little bit helpful if you want to create this viral reverse liner from Makeup by Spencer. Hopefully this video also helped you as well. I absolutely love Makeup by Spencer. If you guys don't know who he is, I will leave his channel down below. You can go ahead and check it out. I will actually link the tutorial that he did for this look in the description box down below as well for you guys. On that note, I'm gonna go ahead and eat because I'm starving. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.